Honorable members, they don't want to participate.
High drama in Rajya Sabha.
मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ। और सर, मुझे माफ करिएगा, मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir.
Jaya Bachchan objects to Dhankar's tone.
I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone? No, sit down to you. No, don't applaud now. No, enough of it. Enough of it.
Rajya Sabha Chair Dhankar roars, enough of it.
She has not come here as celebrity. She has come here as an elected MP.
And also she comes with a vast experience and she has more parliamentary experience, and I beg to differ from what the Vice President said. She comes with vast more experience.
Opposition stages protest, walks out of Rajya Sabha.
आज जो घटना घटी है और जिस तरीके से विपक्ष का व्यवहार रहा है वो बहुत ही असंसदीय, अमर्यादित और अनुशासनहीनता व्यवहार रहा है।
BJP calls incident shameful, unacceptable. Dhankar versus Jaya. Top focus on 6 p.m. Prime.
Good evening. You're watching 6 p.m. Prime here on India Today. I'm Akshata Nandagopal. What exactly played out in the upper house, in the Rajya Sabha today? We're going to be taking you through, in fact, what played out and the showdown between Jaya Bachchan and Jagdeep Dhankar. We've created a virtual Rajya Sabha for you, and that's because we're going to be getting the inside track of that war of words. What triggered it? What happened soon after? More details coming your way. Both houses of parliament stand adjourned, Sanada. It's the end of the monsoon session, but not without some fireworks on the last day as well. And this time we witnessed it in Rajya Sabha between Jaya Bachchan, Member of Parliament in Rajya Sabha from the Samajwadi Party, and the Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar. Many would argue that this was building, considering the last few days there has been a bit of exchange between the two over Jaya Bachchan's name after Jagdeep Dhankar referred to her as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan. Now she objected to Jagdeep Dhankar's tone as well.
आपका टोन जो है,
My tone, my language, my temper? No! Enough of it! Enough of it! You may be anybody.
Massive showdown in Parliament. A fiery face-off between Samajwadi Party MP Jaya Bachchan and Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar.
sir, we are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jayaji.
And I remember when I went to
Jayaji.
school.
Jayaji, take your seat. Honorable members.
This after Jaya Bachchan objected to Jagdeep Dhankar's tone while speaking in Parliament.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ। मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ। और सर, मुझे माफ करिएगा, मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting
Immediately objecting to Jaya's remark, Dhankar fired back.
An actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone?
Soon after the sparring, the opposition staged a walkout. Opposition parties are planning an impeachment motion under Article 67 against the chairperson in Rajya Sabha. They have started a signature campaign.
LOP बोलना चाहते थे पर उनको मना किया गया और बार-बार उन्होंने कोशिश की कि बोलने की कि जो सांसद जिस शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया है, एक वरिष्ठ नेता 50 साल का उनका तजुर्बा है, अनुभव है, उनके बारे में कुछ बातें कहीं जो बहुत आपत्तिजनक थी, पर खड़गे जी को बोलने नहीं दिया। इसलिए आज सारे विपक्ष पार्टियों ने वॉकआउट किया है प्रश्नकाल का।
She has vast experience and she has more parliamentary experience, and I beg
She
to
has
differ from
come
what the
here-
Vice President said. She comes with vast more experience than the Vice President himself. With all
She
due
has come
apology,
here
but that
as
is the
elected
truth.
MP for
We
4
cannot
times.
just-
Union Minister JP Nadda came to Dhankar's defense.
आज जो घटना घटी है और जिस तरीके से विपक्ष का व्यवहार रहा है वो बहुत ही असंसदीय, अमर्यादित और अनुशासनहीनता व्यवहार रहा है और मर्यादा विहीन व्यवहार उनकी आदत सी हो गई है।
This is not the first time Jaya Bachchan has taken on the Rajya Sabha chairman. The MP was upset when she was introduced as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan in the House recently.
सर सिर्फ जया बच्चन बोलते तो काफी हो जाता।
यहाँ पूरा नाम लिखा था इसलिए मैंने रिपीट किया।
ये जो है कुछ नया तरीका निकला है कि महिलाएं जो है अपने पति के नाम से जानी जाएंगी।
Bureau Report, India Today.
I remember when I went to
Jayaji.
school.
Jayaji, take your seat. Jayaji, take your seat.
So it was after this exchange that we saw also opposition MP staging a walkout from the Rajya Sabha. And since then, there have also been allegations by the opposition against Jagdeep Dhankar, accusing him of being disrespectful towards women. We have a woman MP, Sushmita Dev, who was in the Rajya Sabha when this transpired, joining us on this broadcast. Ma'am, thank you very much for joining us here on India Today. You were there when this transpired between Jaya ji and Jagdeep Dhankar ji. Can you take us through exactly what happened, ma'am, that Jaya ji said that, I don't appreciate your tone to Jagdeep Dhankar?
You see, we were about to start the question hour when the chief whip of the Congress party stood up to say that there were some derogatory statements passed by a member of the BJP, and the party had written to the chair to actually remove that or ask the BJP MP to apologize. So while this exchange was going on, many members stood up to, point out the kind of language, the kind of tone and tenor the BJP MPs use. And in that exchange, even Jaya Bachchan stood up to say that sometimes how the chair talks to the members should also be looked at, because after all, we are all colleagues. Chair is supreme, no one denies that. But the house has to be run as per rules and as per precedents. And there should not be any sort of a personal remark on anybody's calling, on anybody's caste, on anybody's background, on anybody's profession before they came into the parliament.
But are you suggesting the chair is doing that? What is the disrespectful tone that the chair is used?
You see, if you play the entire thing, I think the kind of reprimanding that happens is sometimes hurtful to us. And when you use words like "you are nuisance," this is things like that. It is not proper in a parliament. You see, you have to understand, in a democracy, the treasury benches have the number, and they will always pass all the bills because of their number. But there's an age-old saying that the opposition must have its say. So if the opposition feels that from a treasury bench MP, something which is unparliamentary that is coming, something that is derogatory, something that is not suitable for parliamentary deliberations, if you like, we have the right to raise it. We have the right to raise it. Jaya ji simply said that we are all colleagues. You have played it yourself.
No, of course, we played that. And it's absolutely in your right to raise an objection to something that the BJP MP said. My question, however, is what did the chair do that you said that, he used a disrespectful tone and then the opposition chose to walk out?
I'll tell you what. There are certain personal remarks which should not be made on either side, whether it is the chair or whether it is the floor. It has to be run as per rules. And the tone and tenor of the way things are turning out in parliament, it is absolutely, I think, detrimental to parliamentary procedure. And you see, if I say what are you doing? And then I said, what are you doing? Stop doing that. That kind of tone and tenor. If it is hurtful to any member, we have to tell the chair how we feel. I mean, you all watch Sansad TV. You have seen what has been happening, and all we are asking is the decorum be maintained inside the house. And I don't think there is anything wrong in doing that. And to call her a celebrity, that you may be whoever, you may be a celebrity. When she was on her feet, 2 feet, before her, many members had made the same point. And I don't think I have ever known Jaya Bachchan as a third-time parliamentarian to ever throw her weight around because she is a celebrity or was in the film industry. She has spoken as a member. Those are her rights. And I don't think I've ever heard her talking in a derogatory manner to anybody, let alone the chair. But if something you feel bad coming from the chair and you can't raise it, then I don't think that is proper of a parliamentary system,
So the opposition staged a walkout right after. What is the objection here? Was it that, the opposition MPs aren't allowed to speak, or you believe that the chairman, in his manner of speaking to the opposition, like you said, is not right, isn't polite?
You see, it was hurtful when somebody says, you may be whoever you are, and you may be a celebrity. Those kind of things is hurtful to us. You see, we all look up to the chair. Everybody looks up to the chair. The chair is always right. That supremacy of the chair, no one can deny. But when you hear that kind of tone and tenor, it is very hurtful. And I don't think it's the right way to, run the house. Today, people like Jairam Ramesh, Derek O'Brien, Jaya Bachchan, Khadge ji, you keep putting up his mic. Every time he stands up to talk, he talks for the entire opposition. He's not just talking for one party. It's a constitutional post. But if you don't let him talk, you keep putting his mic off. That is also not proper in parliamentary procedure. And let's face it, when it comes to time allocation, BJP having more numbers than any other party always has more time. Leader of the opposition is a constitutional post. He must be able to stand up and talk when he wants to. And I don't think he's ever spoken out of line or he's ever spoken anything derogatory about anybody.
Okay.
There's nothing. Leader of opposition is leader of opposition. It doesn't represent one party. It's a constitutional post.
The chairman in his response was clearly offended over what Jaya Bachchan also said. And the BJP therefore saying that the opposition, your party and several others who staged that walkout also have lowered the dignity of the Rajya Sabha chairman. What's your response to that? Because it was clear Mr. Dhankar was offended when he said, watch your tone to Jaya Bachchan.
All you have to do is hear some of the speeches that the members of parliament from the treasury bunches keep. You have to see that in a democracy, everybody criticizes everybody. That is all right in a democracy. But to pass demeaning remarks about the leader of the opposition, to accuse him of nepotism or, to say ki itne dham unhone yahan bithaya. I mean, if you played back what Ghanshyam Tiwari had to say, I don't think as a citizen you would appreciate it too. And if the leader of opposition, see, what does he talk about? When there was a horrible incident in Wayanad, when so many people died, he stood up to talk. When there is a problem anywhere in the country, he stands up to talk. So his mic should not be put off.
That's an objection you've raised, a fair objection. If you're saying that his mic is switched off, that's a fair objection.
Yes.
The BJP is saying, however, that you're lowering the dignity of the Rajya Sabha chairman by targeting him in this manner.
No, listen, if the chairman feels that we are targeting him, let me put it in perspective. If we feel that something is not as per parliamentary procedure, if the house is not being run just by rules, but by conventions, if microphones go off, we have every right to raise it. A chairman is a non-partisan post. He doesn't belong to any party. A chair is there to protect all sides, and especially more the opposition than the treasury bench. So I don't think that anything personal or indignified was said to the chairman. Today, sometimes when floor leaders stand up, they are not allowed to speak. LOP's mic is constantly switched off. He's not allowed to intervene. You know, the way sometimes the chief whip is scolded, floor leaders are scolded. I think that we all respect the chair, but it has to be run as per precedents, not just rules. And the precedent is to give leader of the opposition supremacy. And that's all Jayaji was trying to say. And that's all Tiruchi Shiva and all others who stood on their feet today tried to say. And listen, the BJP MP should not preach us. You know, the kind of speeches they keep in parliament, I don't think in the parliamentary history it has ever happened post-independence. First of all, their level of question answers, you know, you ask them north and they're replying south. I mean, you just have to watch parliamentary procedure to see the kind of speeches the BJP keeps.
So that objection has clearly been raised by you, ma'am, and by several other opposition leaders as well. Right now, you're also saying that the way the chair speaks, sometimes reprimanding senior members of parliament, is what the objection was to. Thank you very much, Sushmita Dev, for joining us here on India Today and putting forth really what the India Bloc has had to say and why opposition MPs today came together and staged this protest, staging a walkout event over Jaya Bachchan and Jagdeep Dhankar showdown. It got so ugly that you even had Jagdeep Dhankar telling Jaya Bachchan, watch your tone. We'll be tracking the latest on this. I'm also getting you images of all members of parliament. Yes, there is all of this animosity that played out within the house, but outside they came together for a chai session with the speaker. This is images of Lok Sabha MPs cutting across party lines, coming together for a quick chat over chai. Session of parliament being adjourned sine die both in the lower house and the upper house. Prime Minister Modi, you see in that picture, Rahul Gandhi was there. They greeted each other, exchanged greetings during an informal tea meeting. And you can see ministers present there as well as representatives from several political parties. Nice to see all of them coming together, sitting together, discussing issues when you always see them fighting it out within the house. Outside, they're all getting along, they're all amicable. I'm leaving you with these images.